Here's the Harbor Breeze Cheshire ceiling fan. Here's what I'm gonna do. This is the dining room. And look, do you realize you've been hurt? And let me see this one. Look at that. That's the light. Hold on. Here's low. It calms a lot. It fast the blades on the ceiling fan, and you got ceiling fan. You got a blade for a little bit plaster. And I'm not sure, and that's what I want to do, and I can put on and medium. Either the fuzzies you and reverse. Right, sir. Here comes high. Look at that. Are you seeing the sunshine? Look at that. You see it? Now, look at that fan. Everybody, 1, 2, 2, well reverse. Alright, sir. Let's stop the blades. And I'm gonna stop. Just go reverse, down, up. And low or reverse. Now, here's the medium with a well-on reverse. And you got the ceiling fan 42-inch and Harbor Breeze Cheshire ceiling fan. And, man, you know what I mean. And I have a little bit louder, and this is pretty, but the ceiling fan 42-inch. It's like for me. Oh wow, this is so cool. And look, you see this we're outside, and that's a nice ceiling fan. Wow, because and this is my ceiling fan. Thanks a lot, guys.